Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to share with you kind of a collective baby girl haul of everything we've purchased new so far to this point for our new little one coming soon. I'm currently 26 weeks pregnant as of today, so I have picked up a couple of things here and there. So I have some clothes, toys, nursery organization things, and then I have some kind of decor pieces I wanted to share with you guys for her nursery that have come in. If you haven't followed me, I am due with a baby number 2 in October. So we're really excited. There's definitely a lot of hand-me-downs she'll be getting. She has an older brother. My firstborn is about 3.5 years old now. So definitely have some nesting videos. So far right now, I think her nursery furniture is gonna come this weekend. So I will be doing some nesting videos, start going through all the tubs of kind of hand-me-downs, clothes, swaddles, things like that. So if you're interested in seeing the nesting and how everything is going pregnancy-wise, then be sure to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into what new items we have purchased so far for baby girl. So I have tried really hard to not buy clothes yet. So especially when you have a new little one, you tend to just kind of put them in sleepers. So we have a lot of that stuff hand-me-down wise from her older brother, but there are a couple of articles of clothing that I have purchased. So I wanted to share that with you. One is actually a pair of shoes. This is size 3, and size 3 it says is for 12 to 18 months. But these are little Lion King baby moccasins, and I got this from the Disney store. Thought they were super adorable. They were on clearance and just had to grab them. They looked super cute, so I did purchase that for her. I also wanted to get some girly kind of sleepers, so I have a little girly pack right here. These are in size 3 to 6 months. My son was actually a preemie and then was in the newborn phase for quite a while. I'm really hoping she will be a little bit bigger, so I did get a bigger size for this, and I love the pattern details of it. So there is this one that's kind of flower detail, a green one right here, and then there's some like yellow tulips. What are really awesome and make these my favorite sleepers for newborns is they have the little mittens on the sleeves, so you can roll it up. So there's built-in mittens, and the other thing is it zips up from the feet. So why this is so helpful is you can zip it and do diaper changes that way at night instead of get them fully undressed and then close it back up. So those are kind of two things I look for my newborns and little ones, is the zippers from the bottom as well as the little mitten cover up. The next thing was also a Target purchase, and these are just little Gerber baby socks. These are for 0 to 6 months, and I saw these and just had to grab them. They have little ballet shoes, slippers on there, and then just some kind of pink ones there. I had to pick these up. Super cute. The next thing I purchased was also from Target, and this is a really cute little girl's tiered pink dress. Comes with a little bow on the back, and if you haven't been following me here on Instagram, you know I have the women's version of this. It also comes in a couple other colors as well. I think there's a yellow and green, but we have the pink one so I can match my baby girl. I think this is, because they were going out of stock pretty fast, I just kind of grabbed whatever size. This is 18 months, so she definitely has a while before she can fit into it, but I wanted to grab it to kind of hold on to for her. This next thing is one of my favorites. If you have not heard of Magic Kingdom Boutique, she is one of my favorites. She has been since I've been shopping for my son, and she has a whole bunch of different Disney kind of cute little outfits like this. So I have my son in a lot of her outfits, and then I'm now picking up the girl version. So she had this Winnie the Pooh set, and how adorable is this? It is super cute. So you have Tigger and Pooh Bear and Eeyore and Piglet, and then it comes with kind of a little bloomer set underneath that's kind of a yellow buffalo check kind of pattern, picnic style pattern, but super cute. I will link her shop. It's so cute. I also have this Target little outfit I picked out for her as well. That's currently, I think, in my bin to be folded and hung up, so I have washed that one. So this size here is 3 months. I think the other one's 6 to 9 months, but super, super cute. I also picked out these 101 Dalmatian outfits. So I got the boy and the girl set, and that's for like summertime next year. So really cute, and I'm really excited to have them start matching. I was looking at her like Christmas stuff, and I think I did get pre-ordered her, what's it called? Year Without a Santa Claus with the Heat Miser and Snow Miser. So I did kind of guesstimate her outfit kind of, I think I got 3 to 6 or I got 0 to 3 months for her, and then Jackson his size. So hopefully I can get a picture of them this Christmas together. But really excited for when she's actually out to start trying like get cutesy brother sister outfit. This next thing, as soon as I found out that she was a girl, I ran and purchased. It is this cute little sister outfit. So it has the little sister in the pink detail with the sparkly glitter silver arrow. Also comes with a cute little tutu that has a bow that you can make a bow with. Also comes with these really adorable little leggings for her. How adorable. And then a matching bow. So really cute outfit. I had to run and get that. So if you didn't see, my announcement for it was baby girl picture and stuff on Instagram. That is what we did with that. So since she is a girl, I was looking in the girls section at Target and found some cute little basic bows. These are from Cloud Island, both of them. This is the head wraps. So this is more of a wrap than just kind of like a bow on her head. So it's a little bit more thicker and soft. These were about $5. I think there was a sale on them at the time. So there's a white, a Tinkerbell kind of mint green, and then a navy blue. And then these are more head wraps too, but they're the thinner version. And I thought these would be really cute as well. Another thing we purchased that my husband actually picked out for her is a beach wrap or pool wrap, whatever you want to call it. So this is a hooded towel. You can also get it personalized with her name. So that is what we did, or he did for me, and he surprised me with this, and I'm super excited to wash it and see baby girl in this. Okay, so before we get into kind of nursery organization stuff, I wanted to share some of the toys that we've purchased so far for her. We use this a ton with my son. These are the Oball Shakers. They're really easy for little ones to kind of grasp and put their fingers through and shake. So Jackson had one of these when he was little, and I definitely wanted to run out and get baby girl one of her own. The new kind of fad and phase in toys are those like poppets. So I purchased a set. This actually was a set of 4, but these are for her, and then Jackson also has like a T-Rex version, and I think, I can't remember what the other shape is, a pineapple I think. So I purchased these 2, well, the pack of 4 for 2 for him, 2 for her. I know siblings are gonna share and take whatever, but this is a really cute little unicorn one, and then a heart one. So if you haven't seen these before, it's basically like this bubble pop toy that all they gotta do is just keep popping and playing with the bubbles. I don't know, it's like the new fidget toy. I like these way better than the fidget spinners, which were like popular couple of years ago. So these are perfect. I've seen a little babies playing with these. That's silicone, you can wash it, super easy. So I did get 2 for her and 2 for Jackson. 2 things I got during the Amazon Prime kind of haul sale. If you haven't seen those videos, I know Amazon Day is over, but they're really good recommendations for baby toddler stuff, home stuff that I highly recommend you guys to get from Amazon. Some sales are still going on, so check those out. But I purchased her for Christmas time. I know, super early, but she's coming in October. I figured I can wrap it. I got Jackson a couple Christmas gifts as well, but this is cloth bath book. This comes with a set of 8 kind of books that you can put in the bath. They can put in their mouth, they crinkle, all that kind of stuff. So there are vegetables, animal, insect, dress, ocean, family, digital, whatever. So this is something I thought she would like come Christmas time, because she'll be about 3 months old. And then something that's really popular in nurseries now, and I wanted to get her one, are those wooden rainbow kind of stackable things. So I was looking for this one, and this one has a lot more of like the stackables, and it's more kind of a girly print. But I figured, I saw this one on sale, and I figured we'll just start with the basics. if she likes it so much, we can get a more advanced version of it. But this is something I thought would be really great to add to our collection. We didn't have something like that for Jackson. This next thing I'm gonna kind of keep in the bag until it gets closer to time, just for dust reasons. But this is a Sassy floor mirror, but it opens up like a triangle. You sit it on the floor so that way when they do tummy time, they can look at themselves, they can look at the bee and the ladybug. And we didn't have a mirror like this for Jackson. And I did think it was something that would possibly have helped him with enjoying tummy time more. We did a lot of those black and white books open, but I thought this would be something new for her to experience. Another thing that was one of the early purchases, still in the bag, because I just feel like it keeps it safer and stuff for getting closer to time. I will take it out come September, October, but this is a little Tinkerbell plush toy. If you don't know, her nursery is Tinkerbell inspired. So I'm in her room right now. I have like the pinky purple background, but then I have some curtains next to me. I'll share with you guys here in a minute when I talk about decor. And so she has pops of like the mint green, pinks, purple, gold and stuff throughout her room. So I had to grab this for her. A random item that I've actually been using quite a lot is her portable fans. So we originally with Jackson had the clip-on fans. Now they have these new fans that are kind of like twistable, so you can kind of put them anywhere you want. And I highly recommend these. I have been enjoying it through my pregnancy, so if you have a fall winter baby but you're pregnant and you're hot in the summertime right now, get this. So it is micro USB charged. I keep the charger in my car. Always keep this kind of going, so me and Jackson have been enjoying it, but I know baby girl will like it as well. So it comes in, I think, a pink, blue, and a black as well if you're interested. And anything that I have that I can find links to, I will put them down below as well. So moving on to kind of nursery organization, things like that. We did have a pack and play for Jackson, so I wanted to get new like play yard sheets. So there was a sale on these. This is the Quick Connect waterproof fitted sheet, and I got kind of like that minty kind of green color, and we'll just kind of keep our pack and play downstairs just as another option to have her take a nap or even change her diaper, because we do have like the changing pad one. So I will link the one we have up above if y'all are interested. For her closet, I saw these and they were on Amazon Prime deal. This was from Little Miracles, 6 clothing dividers. So this is their kind of rustic floral design. And I can definitely start hanging up her clothes, her fancier clothes, I guess you could say. But I just thought this kind of print and pattern was super pretty for her room and her closet. So I'm really excited to hang these up in her closet. I also purchased some hangers you might have seen from some of those clothes. This is from Casafield. It's the velvet kids hangers. I got this shade light pink. I was actually looking for the green ones because that's what my son Jackson has in his room, and his room is like a Pooh Bear, Winnie the Pooh inspired theme. I can link that video up above, kind of going through his nursery tour. But these are pink ones, and I thought they were super cute for her closet, so I grabbed a whole bunch of those. Another thing closet wise that I picked up were these kind of closet bin storage kind of boxes, and what I really like about these is it does have the cutout in the middle so you can see through it, and it has the handle so we can put extra shoes in there, extra clothes like her 6 to 9 months, things like that, and just kind of organize that way. So I think what I'm going to do today while my son is in summer camp is start washing all her clothes and kind of putting it in these bins, and then this weekend I can start putting them in the drawers. So I'm really excited for that, but you can put anything in these bins, and I just think they're awesome. I have navy ones like this in my room that I kind of keep extra bathing suits or winter scarves, things like that. This kind of matches her Tinkerbell green theme that's kind of like pops throughout her room. Another thing that will be kind of kept in her closet, but more for keepsakes, I have the boy version for my son, but this is from C.R. Gibson, and this is the baby keepsake chest. So I have the boy version for my son, like I mentioned, and this is the girly version. So you can put a picture of your little one in here, This top one you can open up, put any keepsakes that you like in there. Then there are 2 drawers as well that you can store kind of hospital hats, any like birthday cards, announcement cards, things like that. So I have one for my son, that's the blue version. Got her the pink one because I have been finding this has been kind of selling out and unavailable off and on, so I wanted to grab it when I saw it was available. Another thing I purchased is from Little Moments as well, and this is the baby Milestone stickers. This actually comes with 12-month stickers, like the 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, what have you. There's also a Milestone stickers and for kind of holiday, like Easter, Christmas, main holiday kind of stuff. So I purchased this, so I'm ready for pictures for little girl. Then for her drawers, which we'll be playing with once her furniture comes in, got the expandable drawer organizer and dividers. So these will be good to kind of help separate her clothes in the drawers so it's not just kind of all a hot mess inside. So I picked this up. And then the last thing I've picked up for baby girl is the waterproof crib pad mattresses. So we use these. This is the brand Sealy for my son. Does a really good job. We have a mattress that we actually got from one of my girlfriends. She kind of passed it down as a hand-me-down, so we'll use that with this, and then I'll get some crib sheets for her as well as we get closer to time. But decor couple of pieces I wanted to talk about. We got our mirror in. I'll show you guys the picture right here. From Pottery Barn Kids. I'm not going to open the box at the moment, especially since we're going to get the furniture probably before we hang it up. So I'm not going to open that box and have that potentially get broken in the midst of everything. So I'm going to share with you guys a couple of decor pieces we've got in. Just to warn you, it's a hot mess in here. So I don't know how well you can see, but we did purchase these blackout curtains from Target, and they're kind of that green material, and then they also have the sheer kind of scalloped edging all around the sides, which I thought was super gorgeous. I've shared this before, but this is our table lamp that will be on her nightstand, and it's super gorgeous with the pink and the pink leaves and the crystals. This is in Grace Flower, and that is the same kind of brand design as it was for the mirror. This is her name sign that will go above her bed. And this was from Charming for Creations on Etsy. And there is what that looks like. Her name, Madeline Grace. And I'm super excited to hang this up. But I think, like I said, since the furniture is now coming in, we're gonna hang these up after the furniture is placed. But this will go above her bed. And then the only other thing, but this actually wasn't even a new purchase. I've had this for quite a while. I think I purchased it in Disney World like 7 years ago, but this is just a cute little Tinkerbell picture that will be staying here. It was here in my beauty room before, and it will stay here for baby girl. So I love that. So it has the pink, purple, and then the green, which is kind of her theme for her room. But that is everything for right now that we have purchased new for baby girl. I'm excited to start getting all these things organized, washed. Behind me, you can see I have some things I pulled from Jackson's room already, like extra crib sheets and things like that. So those are already washed. I just need to start organizing, sorting through all the bins, that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for that. I'll be starting that video next. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop.